second is the same as S to the negative 1. And I'll show you why it makes a little more sense in a second. But again, these two units are the same. You can use this, you can use hertz, you can use the 1/seconds. It doesn't really matter. Just be aware that if it's raised to the negative 1 power, it just means it's the denominator in the unit. 1/whatever. Now, the relationship between wavelength and frequency. As we go through this class and I give you more equations, I talk about the relationship. Is it a direct relationship? Is it an inverse relationship? Those are our two main ones. And the reason why is it helps you see if you're solving things correctly. If one of my variables decreases, the other variable does the opposite, it increases.
You good?
So let's just put water over here.
Oh, shoot. Did you spill water in your last class? Literally, you came into the room. She's like, yeah, Mazo made a mess in this.
That means if my wavelength gets bigger, it grows in size. My frequency is going to be the opposite, and it's going to get smaller. So wavelength increases, frequency decreases, and vice versa. The wavelength gets smaller, the frequency increases. So that's what it means with an inverse relationship. So this is just one example. The shorter the wavelength, the higher the frequency. And I can say the opposite would be true. So the picture helps. So on top, you can see the wavelengths are much closer. So in this snapshot, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wavelengths. Now, in the bottom picture, same length of time, I see 1, 2, 3 wavelengths with that much larger wavelength. It's less wavelengths are going by. So that's the relationship. The larger the wavelength, the more the larger the wavelength, the fewer will pass, so the lower the frequency. Shorter the wavelength, more we're going to pass. All right.
Short.
Questions?
Short, faster. No.
All right. So I want you to turn and talk. Here's my question. Which wave has the shortest wavelength? Go ahead and turn and talk to somebody by you. And I'm going to survey you in a second.
Yes, ma'am. I went back and get a sub-live stream to say it's 3. How's everyone doing? I say it's 3 guys. I say it's 3. That tough.
All right.
Yeah, that's so tough.
If you think it's number 1, give me a thumbs up. Stop. If you think it's number 2, give me a thumbs up. If you think it's number 3, give me a thumbs up. All right. So the shortest wavelength would be the distance between the waves is the shortest. It is number 2.
All right. Thumbs up for
everything. The next question. Which wave has the lowest frequency? Don't shout it out. We're going to talk to your table partner.
3. I think it's 3 because if we're really statistically correct. Wait. Oh my God, we have 3 top fans. It's a piece of hair.
All right.
It's a star and a crown.
Number 1, give me a thumbs up. If you think number 2, give me a thumbs up. Number 3. It is number 3. So the larger the distance between the wavelengths, the lower the frequency. All right, so now we have some background about wavelength and frequency. Let's move on to some calculations. So the wave nature of light. The reason why we're talking about waves and their structures is because light and energy travels like a wave. So in the early 1900s, scientists observed that certain elements emitted visible light when heated in a flame. We're going to do this in our lab in a couple weeks. Each element has a unique signature based on the arrangement of its electrons in the atoms. We'll learn more about it in the second part of this unit. So that arrangement gives each element a unique color or a unique pattern of that element. So that's going to take us to the energy spectrum. So the electromagnetic radiation is a spectrum. It contains energy that exhibits wave-like behavior as it travels through space. It's all energy in our universe is on the electromagnetic spectrum.
Electromagnetic spectrum.
Unfortunately, we can see a tiny sliver called visible light. That's all that we can see. Now, we can detect the other forms of energy with special equipment, but what we can see is just visible light. And it is a sliver. And I'm going to show you a picture in a second.
Is it really that small?
Yeah.
Wait, can I see
Based
it?
on the overall, yeah. So you're going to be looking at the electromagnetic spectrum. You're going to be utilizing it as a tool in solving some problems in both our classwork and homework this week. And you'll see it again, of course, on your quizzes and tests.
Is that like the gamma?
Yeah.
The X? Oh,
Yep.
Okay.
So you have been exposed to it. You've already seen it. It starts at microwaves and works its way over to gamma.
It's like microwave, infrared. Wait,
X-ray.
I can see my microwave.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I don't know.
The order doesn't matter because you'll have a picture of the document.
Radioactive.
Wait, my microwave is a wave?
Yep, that's how it heats your food up.
Yeah. Oh,
So
are
the
you
waves
dumb?
travel through the food and
So
heat
I
the
live-
water in the food is what it does.
Radio wave.
Radio waves.
Oh, so I have like the beach in my house.
By the people that I talk to.
What are you on about?
All right. So let's take a look.
Because if I got waves in my house, that means I'm at the beach.
Here's the spectrum. So let me talk about what is on the spectrum and how you're going to utilize it. So it starts over at radio
He's on
waves
the
on the
spectrum.
left. Then as wavelengths get shorter,
You're right
It's
here. This
microwave,
is your spectrum.
followed by
Radio,
infrared.
microwaves,
What
infrared.
else should we be talking about?
Shh.
Here is the visible light. It is literally that little tiny spectrum. Now they've expanded it up here so you can see,
Oh, that's
but you can
Owen.
see it's a very small portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. So as we continue to shorten the wavelength, you've got ultraviolet, followed by X-rays, followed by gamma rays. Now what's important is what is on here. Wavelength versus frequency. So we start at the top with the wavelength in meters, starting at 3 times 10 to the 4th. That's 30,000. So as we move from side to
What the hell?
So we go from 30,000 all the way to 3 times 10 to the negative 14. So what's happening to our wavelength? It's getting smaller.
Smaller.
So correspondingly, look at your frequency. We start at 10 to the 4th in hertz. And as the wavelength gets shorter, the frequency increases. So you'll be asked to look at this and utilize this information. So I wanted to point out where you can find it. So as you can see, we're going to put this all together in an equation. So here's the relationship. All forms of electromagnetic radiation or wave travel at the speed of light. So this is part of Einstein's famous equation of E equals mc squared. C
bro.
is the speed of light.
Yep.
If you flip over your periodic table to the back, to the top
Facebook.
right,
You got clipped on that.
you'll see there's 2 things said constants. C equals and H equals. We're going to use both of those in this unit.
Is J joules? What's stoichiometry? Joules.
All right.
You're right. My bad.
So the speed of light is given its own symbol, the letter C. So we always know the speed of light.
I haven't caught that on
3.00
live.
times 10 to the
Like you're
8
being abusive.
meters per second. Now it says in a vacuum, so it refers to space, but it still applies here on Earth. So the good news is, out of the 3 variables these equations are made up of, you've got one of the variables at all times, either C or H. Both are constants. We'll talk about H tomorrow.
Oh.
So that means what remains is your wavelength and your frequency.
What's the,
Time, frequency.
why is the
Now,
tsunami not on?
I just said we're never going to solve for C. So this equation, like how it is not as helpful as I would like. You can derive the derivations of these 2 different scenarios. I'm going to show you those in the next slide. You can use it as is. I don't care. You're going to solve for one of the 3 variables, but not C. The main thing I want you to remember, though, are units. Units play a big role in this. Wavelength is always in meters. That's an easy way to spot wavelength. Frequency is in hertz, or S to the negative 1 power. Also helps you spot what's what. And then C is always meters per second. So, it now makes a little more sense if you look at 1/seconds. So if I take wavelength of meters times 1/second, I get meters per second, hence the unit for the letter C.
Bro, you're ruining my monetization.
Any questions about anything up on the slide?
All
All right, so this next slide, if you want to add this to your periodic table, you can. What question?
Could you re-explain the equation again?
I'm not sure.
my
Okay.
god.
So here we are. If I want to solve for wavelength, I'm going to repurpose that equation so wavelength is by itself. So it looks like this. C divided by frequency. This is one option. You can write these on the back of your periodic table if you want.
Well, I'm just writing
Where they
in
would
my
like you
notebook.
the best serve.
I just wrote it in my notebook. You should probably write it
Well, you
on
can
the
use
back
it in your
here.
periodic table on your test. And I don't provide the formula.
Oh, wait, you're right. Yeah. Come on, Dennis. Yo, did you hear that?
So this is the option if I'm solving for wavelength. I will take my 3.00 times 10 to the 8th and divide it by whatever the p is. Units will cancel, and I'll be left with meters. If I'm trying to solve for frequency, it's not much different.
Bless
It's
you.
going to be C divided by wavelength. Again, units will cancel, and I'll be left
Sorry.
with hertz, the estimated 1 or 1/second. But you'll notice, what's the commonality? Both of these, C is being divided by whatever your other variable is. That's the only pattern you're going to see. You're never being asked to solve for C because you don't have to. It's a constant.
Okay. Mm-hmm. What is funny, bro? Fuck. There's such a negative Nancy in front.
All right. You now have all the information. Let me remind you. When we work on these problems, there's two things I need to see from you to get full credit on your work. The variables with the numbers pulled from the question, the numbers in the formula and solve. Those are the two things you got to do. So we're going to do that in the example and you're going to do that on the practice problem. So let's start off with the example. Please write it if you haven't done so. So at least you have one annotated example in your notes. So go ahead and copy that.
The fuck?
And I'm going to walk you through how to solve it.
I'm gonna move this out. Wait, new page? I'm starting a new page. I'm not. I'm just gonna make a one.
So when I say we're going to annotate a problem, that means we're going to underline the givens and circle the unknown.
Okay.
So I read the question, calculate the wavelength of a photon of light with a frequency of 6.615 times 10 to the 14th hertz. So remember, my given is going to be, or givens, depending on questions, is going to be something with a number and a unit.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to underline the 6.615 times 10 to the 14th. You can include frequency, but you don't have to. You have the unit. I want to box in or circle or highlight the thing I'm being asked to find. So it says calculate the wavelength. So this helps me narrow down exactly what I need to do in my problem. Now the formula over here is just the basic one, not rearranged. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my variables. So go ahead and write the upside down Y for wavelength, the V, and the C. So write those three down.
Just anywhere?
Just underneath the question. So C
Yeah.
equals, wavelength equals, V equals. So what do we always know? We always know C is always going to be 3.00 times 10 to the 8th. So let's write that first. That's what we call a given, a constant.
Do I have to remember that?
Nope, it's on your right table.
Just making sure.
3.00.
Now, the other thing I've been given is frequency. So I'm going to take 6.615 and put it with the V. So all that's left is my unknown, which in this case is the wavelength. So I'm going to put a question mark there.
Oh, I know how to do it.
That's part one. Part two, you're going to plug it into the formula. Now you can use this equation. That is fine. You'll fill in C, wavelength will still be unknown. You'll fill in frequency, and then you'll solve for wavelength. But if you would like to see it as it's put in, look at your previous slide. This is the formula. Wavelength equals C divided by frequency. Either one will be fine. So now you can put your numbers in. Bless you.
Thank you.
Go ahead and put your numbers in where they go. So where do I put the 3.00 times 10 to the 8th versus where do I put the 6.615 times 10 to the 14th?
Wait.
And then I'm going to walk you through how to put this back in the calculator because it's been a while.
What are you doing? You know what?
Are there any questions on where the numbers went? Why I put them where I put them?
Nope.
All right.
No.
What?
So let's go over how to put this back in the calculator. It's been a while since we've used exponents. You're going to look for that capital EE key on all the graphic calculators. The pink ones here in class, also capital EE.
Wait,
Some
where?
of you have ones that say EXP. We're going to use that. Or 10
Second.
times 10 to the X.
Press second.
All right. So here we go.
Oh.
3.00. You're going to press the second, then find that capital EE key. Press that. Should give you a little exponent off to the side. You're going to put 8. Do not press the times button between the 3.00 and the second EE. It's going to mess up your exponents. So we're going to do the same thing. So now we're going to move on. We're going to divide. So press divide.
Oh.
And then we're going to do 6.615. Second, EE 14.
What the hell?
And then you can hit equals.
I got 0.
Yes.
454.
All right. I'm going to show you two different answers. The scientific calculators don't give you all of the info. If you want to change it to scientific notation, you can. I know most of the graphing calculators are give you a big long sequence of numbers in scientific notation. So here's option 1. 0.60454. That's for most of our class calculators. They'll show you that for your answer.
I got that.
Graphing, I got 4.5. Much more numbers, we don't need that many of those, times 10 to the negative 7. Both of these answers are exactly the same thing. We did some math, so what do we always check? Starts with an S. Sig figs. Now, listen to me very carefully. Constants,
More
like the
sig
letter
fags.
C, do not count for sig figs. So that means they have an infinite number of significant figures, so we can't use that for rounding because we have to go with the fewest. So we're going to look at frequency. How many sig figs is frequency? 4. So with my number here less than 1, I don't count any of these zeros. I count 4 places. I don't have 4 places. So I'm missing a spot after the line, which means I can convert this though to a significant digit by adding a 0. So if we went this way, it would be 0.604540. If you did scientific notation, count off 4 places, draw the line, the 1 doesn't round up. So you get 4.35 times 10 to the negative 7. Both answers are correct.
Okay. Yes. Wait, I got that. I got both of those.
All right, so do this one on your own.
Shut
Give you 3 minutes.
0.0000556. 5567.
You don't need to write the question. It's not in orange or in yellow.
67. Oh, I want to see if I can do it. Let's see.
So don't use it.
What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be doing 6-7. That's not 6-7.
Yo, such a stupid ass that boy.
Oh, you see this? Looking at this.
It's somehow.
Hey, that one viewer is watching us. We got 19,000.
Definitely don't use that 10 to the X on the graphing calculators. Use the EE.
What are we looking at?
You don't need to copy the question.
Practice problem, bro.
It's yellow on there, but go back.
Here?
That one, yeah. It's purple there.
Oh, I thought I was looking
You
at.
don't need to write the question. Just solve.
Okay. Oh, so you just want me to solve it?
That-
Why would you write the
That's
variables
what
and
she
plug in the
just said,
numbers?
dumbass.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Dang it! Why did you get mad?
Yeah, it's not that hard, bro. Matthew, bro. Stop it.
I don't need any commentary. You guys say anything else about each other, you're getting detention. And then why did you say Owen? No. What did I just say? If you hear any more comments about someone else, it's a detention. We've done this for 8 weeks. I'm done. No. Solve this problem.
A person in this classroom is laughing at
Solve the problem.
So am I.
A
I
person.
can't lie. I'm laughing, bro.
A person in this class.
Write your numbers. Write your numbers before you try to solve.
Okay.
Stupid.
Why are we so mean?
Exactly. I know.
I need to email your parents.
Wait, mine? What did I do?
Oh yeah, email his parents. They're gonna give him a real beating. Then I can tell them everything he did.
You're not. Well, you guys have to write the next step down. So I don't know why.
Wait, 16 people in Spencer's? Is that right?
What?
Wait, what are you doing?
So 3.44.
That's the answer.
Watch this.
Oh, wait, well, then why did I get that?
3.0.
Because you did these individually, so basically it would be 3.00 times 10
8
divided by 3.
divided by
Wait, did she multiply it?
3.44.
Wait, did
So
you
what's the right answer? Then why did I get that?
times 8.
Because you did it as
Wait, is this the
in a
answer?
row,
Is this
so
the
it's
answer?
3.00 times 10 to the 8.
And then I'm
And then-
supposed to solve that.
And then those divided by 3.44.
Wait, is this how I
Say it out loud.
Wait,
Or 10.
is that how I
And that's why it came out like that. So I solved them individually, and then I
Why'd I get 0.872?
It's divided.
So what's the
Oh.
answer?
Wait, Miss Ferdocio.
How many-
What happened?
Yep, that's right. Oh wait.
So it's not
messed me
this?
up.
Or-
Oh, 'cause you did
Oh,
solve.
Oh wait, so what am I supposed to do there?
What should it be?
See, it says. Oh, I didn't read the 09.
That is not the right answer.
Wait, would it be 8.72 times 10 to the negative second?
So
You do that,
what
yeah,
solve
I was
would be
looking at the
like
other problem, so I put 2 8s.
3 times 3
All right, let's
divided
see how you
by
did.
4. It would be like
Yeah, she just
Fucking
gave
go,
it to
baby.
me.
I got it.
that's 9 divided by 4.
Motion.
It's not a big
Okay.
that's not
Here's the moment
You're
of
supposed to do it
reckoning.
incorrectly. There's no way that you can.
So one possible answer, 0.0872209. Don't need any more than that.
I got that right.
This is easy, Miss Ferdocio.
Here is the scientific notation. Same exact numbers, but a little bit differently. How many sig figs can I have?
It said 10 to the 6. It's not even the same number. This is really loud.
3.
3.
Okay.
Where are you
So
getting?
here's option 1. Here's option 2.
Oh,
you're tough.
Game
Okay,
day just ripped
both
something.
issues. Are you divided incorrectly? You need to divide into C every time. So 3.00 times 10 to the 8 divided by whatever
Hop
else.
off.
Okay.
Hop
Here's your
off.
chance.
Damn.
Get to work.
You told her, bro.
Hey, get to work.
Get the
Owen.
book out. Get the book out, beta bitch.
Variables, the number
Oh.
of
Live stream.
Get the book out, beta bitch.
Oh
Why
my.
do you keep looking behind, bro?
Yeah, why do you keep looking at us?
Like, pay attention to yourself, dog.
Like, Owen already has someone to take to Hoko.
Do not do the
Shut the
problems
fuck
in
up, bro.
green
You
box.
have to
Already
ruin
did
the
the
joke
shows.
every time.
Just walk me through them. So the blue box is where you're answering the questions from.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Write the variables.
Right the
These questions are
variables.
on Canvas too.
Do we have to do all of them?
It would be preferred.
45.
25 questions.
45. 4 questions.
Oh, so we don't do 12 and 38?
If you can get to, you can, but you can.
This is 33, buddy.
That says. Oh,
Bro.
33.
Even Owen could see it.
He has glasses. Of course he can see it. Take
What,
those off.
what are these strays for? Oh my
Your
god.
glasses are so thick. You're blind as a bat.
W voice crack, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah,
thick.
like, can you even see what she looks like without them?
Why are you losing your voice?
Like, what are those
I've been
glasses?
losing my voice for like a week straight.
Like, what are you
I know
writing?
why.
It doesn't say
You
section
idiot.
question. Hey, we can't be talking to game day. Do your work. Oh, that was on live stream. Oh my god, I
What?
should have seen that. Oh, because I have 6 bodies, I guess.
Shut up. Bro.
You said you have
Shit
7.
pisses me off.
You just said you had 7.
Can you shut the fuck up?
You literally were like,
I don't have any.
I have 7.
I don't.
I have 7 bodies. That's what you said.
Wait, is it included with the extra credit? Because I got a 93.
Yeah. Oh, hey, that's a detention.
It's the N word in Russian, bro. What the fuck?
Yes.
Why are you laughing? That's not funny.
Yes, you did. That's like the word you say the most. Like, do you have some hit against
Dude, you're
them?
making me voice crack.
It's so forced, also, by the way.
You're making me voice crack. Shut up.
And now you're stealing what I was gonna say. Like, how weird can you get?
Yo, you can't say queer on YouTube.
Oh my bad, YouTube! Don't demonetize me. I need my.
the stream.
No, we're gonna get viewers in 10 minutes. I believe it.
No, fuck, we're not. dumbass.
Wait, I can sign into an account I have. That's famous. Oh,
Yo, crown emoji.
Yo, crown emoji. Thank you for the follows. Thank you. Drop a like and share. Guys, can you? We have 2,000 viewers.
No, the fuck we don't. Please shut
See, this is
up.
2,644 viewers.
Now we have 2,645, and one of them's.
Oh my God, we are famous. Guys, keep giving us donations. Thank you for the rose.
Yo, you're actually schizophrenic, bro. No words.
Thank you for the galaxy.
Thank you for the galaxy.
One day we'll have a galaxy. Wait, can we stream on TikTok from here?
Fuck no, bro.
Can we open TikTok somehow? And like start streaming there?
Boy, get out.
14.
Boy, come out.
Boy, da-da-da.
Oh, we have 27,000 viewers. We're losing viewers by this.
You are actually the most schizophrenic person I've ever met in my life, bro. This is bad.
27 viewers. Oh my God, my mom's in the chat.
Your mom's
What?
in the
Wait, you're schizo?
No,
Oh,
You're
she said
schizo?
yeah, she said
No.
yeah.
I knew it, bro. That's why you talk to your flute.
Bro, some guy just gave me a rose again. Thank you for the rose. Oh, I need to do my work.
She would tell us stories.
Little do they know, I'm making bank in the back of the class.
Wait. Did I do this correctly?
Wait, if it's a negative, we put -7.
-6, 7.
Owen! Are you stupid? You can't jump that. Oh.
Was that Sigma Aura moments?
They're trying to ruin our live stream.
Why? How?
Because look, we went from 29,000 followers to 29,020.
Shut your ass up.
Thank you for the universe. Now, let's leave school. I just got a universe, Miss Ferdosio.
Shut your ass up. Sit down. This is not tough in Pinellas County, Florida.
Why did I get 22 million? Holy shoot. Wait, that's how much money I made this class.
Oh, you're tough. Oh my.
You know, someday I'll be famous, and you'll be begging on your knees for some money.
Yeah, I'm not begging on my knees for nothing from
You'll be-
Matthew Schubert.
You'll be wishing you got a rose from me. What the fuck? You're gay. Wait, don't you already have a rose toy at your house? Yo, what? What are you on about? I saw your video. It was like, let's see if I can play Call of Duty with my Max Power rose toy. It was like,
Genuinely, what are you talking?
I couldn't hear the game. It was like,
That's how I get TikTok
Matthew,
views. If you put
stop.
genuinely, you're guaranteed like 50,000 views.
I didn't put it. I got 230,000.
Okay, cool guy. You want a fucking prize?
Yeah, I want a kiss. Oh my god,
Guys, we gotta end stream for this.
No, don't end stream. We have 30 million followers.
You're the next Charlie D'Amelio.
What does she even do?
Shake ass.
Oh, I can do that for the video.